Ever wondered how factories roll out millions of cigarettes a day? The truth is faster and more shocking than you'd think. Cigarette manufacturing is a fascinating yet complex process that involves the production of millions of cigarettes in factories around the world. At the heart of this industry lies a meticulous process that begins with the cultivation of tobacco leaves, which are then harvested, cured, and processed. Once the leaves are ready, they undergo a series of steps including blending, cutting, and rolling, ultimately transforming raw tobacco into the familiar product we see on store shelves. Understanding these industrial production methods is crucial, not only for those interested in manufacturing, but also for consumers who may not fully grasp the implications of cigarette production. The sheer scale of this industry raises important questions about health, regulation, and societal impact. Cigarette production affects public health, contributes to economic factors, and influences social norms. By exploring how these products are made, we can better understand their role in society and the ongoing debates surrounding tobacco use. Join us as we delve deeper into the intricate world of cigarette manufacturing and its far-reaching consequences. Tobacco cultivation. The journey of cigarette production begins with tobacco cultivation, a critical initial stage that sets the foundation for the entire manufacturing process. There are several types of tobacco plants used in cigarette manufacturing, with the most common being Virginia, Burley, and Oriental tobacco. Each type has unique characteristics that contribute to the flavor and aroma of the final product. Tobacco thrives in specific growing conditions, typically requiring warm climates with well-drained soil. Major tobacco growing regions include the southern United States, parts of South America, and countries like China and India. These areas provide the ideal environment for cultivating high-quality tobacco plants. Once the plants reach maturity, the importance of harvesting and curing cannot be overstated. Harvesting involves carefully picking the leaves at the right time to ensure optimal flavor and quality. After harvesting, the leaves undergo a curing process, which involves drying them to enhance their taste and prepare them for further processing. This meticulous attention to detail in tobacco cultivation is essential for producing the rich, satisfying cigarettes that consumers enjoy. Leaf processing. After harvesting, the processing of tobacco leaves is a crucial step that significantly influences the quality of the final product. The first stage involves drying the leaves, which can be done through air curing, flue curing, or sun curing, depending on the type of tobacco. This drying process reduces moisture content and prepares the leaves for fermentation, where they undergo chemical changes that enhance flavor and aroma. Fermentation can take several weeks and is essential for developing the rich characteristics that consumers expect. Once the leaves are dried and fermented, they are sorted and graded based on quality. This sorting process involves evaluating factors such as color, texture, and size, ensuring that only the best leaves make it to the next stage of production. Higher quality leaves are typically used for premium cigarettes, while lower grades may be used for budget options. In modern leaf processing, technology plays a significant role in enhancing efficiency and consistency. Automated systems for drying, sorting, and grading have revolutionized the industry, allowing for precise control over the processing stages and ensuring a uniform product that meets consumer expectations. Blending and flavoring. The blending and flavoring process is a vital step in creating the unique taste profiles of cigarettes. Different types of tobacco, such as Virginia, Burley, and Oriental, are carefully blended to achieve a harmonious balance of flavors. Each type contributes distinct characteristics. For instance, Virginia tobacco offers sweetness, while Burley adds body and richness. The art of blending involves skillfully combining these varieties to create a consistent flavor profile that appeals to consumers. In addition to blending, flavoring agents may be added to enhance the overall taste experience. These agents can range from natural extracts to synthetic flavors, providing a variety of options that cater to diverse preferences. The careful selection and application of these flavoring agents can significantly impact the smoking experience, making it smoother or more aromatic. Consistency in blending is crucial for maintaining brand identity. Consumers often develop loyalty to specific brands based on their unique flavor profiles. Therefore, manufacturers invest in precise blending techniques to ensure that each batch of cigarettes delivers the same taste, reinforcing brand recognition and customer satisfaction. Cigarette manufacturing. The actual manufacturing process of cigarettes in factories is a highly automated and efficient operation that involves several key steps. At the heart of this process are advanced machines designed to handle various tasks, including cutting, rolling, and packaging. For instance, the cutting machines slice the blended tobacco into fine strands, while rolling machines wrap the tobacco in paper to form the cigarette. These machines operate at high speeds, allowing factories to produce thousands of cigarettes per minute. Once the cigarettes are rolled, they move to the packaging stage, where they are grouped into packs and sealed for distribution. This process often includes labeling and adding any necessary health warnings, ensuring compliance with regulations. Quality control measures are integral throughout the manufacturing process. Factories employ rigorous testing protocols to monitor the consistency of tobacco blends, the integrity of the rolling process, and the overall quality of the finished product. Regular inspections and automated systems help identify any defects, ensuring that only high-quality cigarettes reach consumers. This commitment to quality not only enhances brand reputation, but also safeguards consumer satisfaction.
Packaging and distribution.
The packaging of cigarettes is a crucial aspect of the manufacturing process, designed not only to protect the product but also to attract consumers. Common types of packaging include soft packs, hard packs, and cartons, each offering different levels of protection and convenience. Hard packs are often preferred for their durability, while soft packs are favored for their portability. Additionally, packaging typically features vibrant branding and health warnings, which play a significant role in consumer choice. Once packaged, the logistics of distributing cigarettes to retailers involves a well-coordinated supply chain. Manufacturers work closely with distributors to ensure timely delivery to stores. This process includes warehousing, inventory management, and transportation, often utilizing specialized vehicles to maintain product integrity. Efficient logistics are essential to meet consumer demand and keep shelves stocked. Branding is paramount in cigarette packaging, as it helps differentiate products in a competitive market. Eye-catching designs, logos, and color schemes not only attract attention but also foster brand loyalty. Effective branding can influence purchasing decisions, making it a key focus for manufacturers in their packaging strategies. Environmental and health considerations. The production of cigarettes raises significant environmental and health concerns that warrant attention. Tobacco farming, for instance, can lead to deforestation, soil degradation, and water depletion. The cultivation of tobacco often requires large amounts of pesticides and fertilizers, which can contaminate local ecosystems and harm biodiversity. Additionally, the clearing of land for tobacco plantations contributes to habitat loss and increased carbon emissions. On the health front, smoking and tobacco use are linked to numerous serious health risks, including lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory illnesses. The World Health Organization estimates that tobacco use is responsible for millions of deaths each year, highlighting the urgent need for public awareness and education on the dangers of smoking. Encouraging responsible consumption and production practices is essential in addressing these issues. This includes promoting sustainable farming methods, supporting reforestation efforts, and advocating for policies that reduce tobacco use. By raising awareness about the environmental and health impacts of cigarette production, we can foster a more informed public and encourage positive changes in both consumer behavior and industry practices. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the intricate process of cigarette production, starting from the cultivation of tobacco to the final packaging and distribution. We highlighted the various types of tobacco used, the meticulous steps involved in processing and blending, and the advanced machinery that facilitates efficient manufacturing. Additionally, we discussed the significant environmental concerns associated with tobacco farming and the serious health risks linked to smoking. As we wrap up, it's essential to reflect on the implications of cigarette consumption, not only for individual health but also for the environment. Understanding the complexities of cigarette production can empower consumers to make informed choices and advocate for responsible practices within the industry. If you found this video informative, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content.